Kuya, pag depressed diha, nursing student ka. Wala na ka time para mag-depress. Di man nursing student ka, remember?
Morning, Ma'am Aubrey. Narito yung newly admitted patient karon na siya sa room 3. So, ikaw ang assign na nga patient pa, ma?
Sige.
Darayahan siya. Yung na lang na kayo mga pangutan.
Sige. Kaya?
Sige. Aris ako. Mag-check sa
Okay.
Daghan ko nakitaan sa ospital. Mga nasakit, mga namatay, o mga pasyente nga nawad-an og paglaom sa kinabuhi.
Okay na ka, ma? Wala ka mag-istorya, ma?
I felt I could trust her.
Ma'am, thank you kayo, ma'am. Sa iyong conference ako, ma'am. Walang problema eh. Ang iyong nagdaka sa nurse. Thank you so much.
Atong panahona, nakasud ni og nagailhanay maayo.
Nakatabang dito siya na ako atong panahon na unta nakatabang sa
Through this activity, we have come to appreciate the vital role of spiritual care in nursing. We learned that the healing is not just about treating physical symptoms but also about addressing emotional and spiritual needs. Patients often find comfort and strength in their beliefs, and as future healthcare providers, it is our responsibility to acknowledge and support that aspect of their well-being, whether through active listening, offering words of encouragement, or simply being present. Spiritual care can bring a sense of peace and hope to those in need. This experience has also deepened our own spiritual awareness. It has made us more conscious of how spirituality influences both patient and caregivers. Some of us have realized how our own beliefs and values shape the way we provide care, while others have developed a greater appreciation for the diverse spiritual needs of others. Ultimately, this reflection has reinforced the idea that holistic care, caring for the mind, body, and spirit, is essential in nursing. Moving forward, we aim to integrate spiritual care into our practice, ensuring that every patient feels supported not just physically but emotionally and spiritually as well.